Welcome everyone. Today we are exploring the GMO potato and I will explain what they are and why they are developed and the impact they bring our customers. So, what exactly are the GMO potatoes? They are the potatoes that have been genetically modified to introduce the beneficial characteristics such as press, resistance, and improved nutrition value. Unlike the traditional potato, which takes the genetic engineering allow the scientists to make the rice to train quickly, and those modifications help to reduce bruising and improve our nutrition value and which is important. The GMO potato and ensure the safety both our humans and the environments. Safety is a top priority. The GMO potato undergo testing by agencies like the FDA, EPA, ESDA. Testing check for the toxicity and the nutrition evaluated and the global significance confirmed that approved GMO potatoes are safe as the traditional ones. And how do we identify the GMO potato? The technician like PCR amplify the DNA sequence to detect the genetic modification, while the enzyme-linked assay confirm the unique makers, and those methods can ensure the competence and the support the customer choice. And that's what about the GMO potatoes.